Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Kelkar and welcome to my channel Food and Magic. Today we will see how to make this beautiful custard apple Kaju Katli. When we see them in the mithai shops, we are so tempted to buy them. So let's make this at home. We will make this Kaju Katli purely with cashew nuts and sugar syrup only. We will not add any milk powder. So let's begin the recipe. Here I'll show you the cashew nuts that I have taken. I have taken premium quality bigger size cashew nuts. They are easy to grind and they do not leave any oil while grinding. What we will do now is take each cashew nut, divide it into two halves and check if there are no insects in between the two halves. Then we will break them into smaller pieces. It will make the grinding easier. Here I have already taken 2 cups of cashew nuts and broken them into pieces and checked whether there are no insects in it. Now we'll grind these cashew nuts in the grinder on the pulse mode. We will grind them in batches so that the powder that we get is dry and not lumpy. Here we take a bowl and have taken a sieve with larger holes. We will add the cashew nut powder and sieve well. Here I'll use my fingers. I think this process is much more faster. Here you can see a fine powder. Now we will grind these again and repeat the process till the time we get a fine powder. See, you can see we've got a lovely dry powder. We will keep it aside. We will take a glass plate and grease it with some ghee so that the hot mixture that we make, we can pour it right away on this dish without wasting any time. Here I have taken 1 cup of sugar and with the same measuring cup, I will add 1 cup water and again add 1/3 cup of water. Stir till the sugar dissolves and bring this to a boil. We want a sugar syrup of 1 string consistency. Let's check. Yes, you can see the single string. Now we will add in the cashew nut powder in batches again so that it is not lumpy. Keep stirring it. Once the dry cashew nut powder is mixed into this syrup, then add again a little more. This is done just to avoid any lumps. You have to remember to keep stirring this till the entire process is over and not leave it without stirring at all. Now we'll add in all the cashew nut powder and continue stirring. Here in this recipe you can see that I have used 2 ladles. One is the wooden to scrape it from the kadhai and the silicone one to scrape from the sides. So you can use whatever is comfortable to you. Now we'll keep stirring this till the time the mixture starts to thicken. I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix well. And keep stirring. You can see the mixture starts to thicken and starts leaving the kadhai bottom. It's been precisely 3 minutes. I have lowered the heat. You can lower the flame and add in just 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. We will not add too much of cardamom powder because we want the flavor of cashew nuts. We don't want the elaichi powder to overpower the taste of cashew nuts. The mixture is also turning a little dark in color. Now it is done. We will remove this quickly in a glass plate. A glass plate, I find it easy because it does not stick to the plate. And we'll let it cool for 3 to 4 minutes. It starts coming together after 3 to 4 minutes, but it is still quite hot. We will divide this mixture into 60 and 40% and remove little bit of this mixture in another plate. At this stage, we will add in the dry fruits of our choice. It's very important to add in at this time because you can still handle the mixture. It's still runny. If you add at the later stage, your dry fruits will get stuck up at one place only and not mix entirely in the entire mixture. Now we can leave the mixture for cooling for another 5 to 6 minutes. Turn it upside down so that the upper surface cools fast. After 7 to 8 minutes, we don't want the mixture to get completely cold. Oil or grease your hands with ghee and start making balls of a size of a lemon. This mixture is warm, it is not hot. Here the bigger balls are ready. Now with the remaining batter in which we have not added any dry fruits, we will make tiny small little balls so that we can stick it on the bigger ball and give it a shape of a custard apple. It's very important to grease your hands, otherwise the whole mixture will stick to your fingers. Here the small balls and the big balls are ready. Now we'll start assembling them together. We'll just dip a small ball in the milk and start sticking it on the bigger ball. This process takes a lot of patience and a lot of time. So do not attempt this recipe when you are in a hurry. Now one ring is done. Now we will proceed in the same way till the whole ball is covered. Just roll it lightly with hands, pressing everything together. The cashew nut mixture is still warm and soft. Here all the custard apples are ready. Here I have taken some green gel color and mixed it with water. Now apply this on the palm. And roll each mithai between your palms very lightly. Do not add too much of color, otherwise the Kaju Katli will become very soggy and take a lot of time to dry up. Isn't this resembling a real custard apple? And a beautiful Kaju Katli custard apple mithai is ready. Do give my recipe a try, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.